Enter Bollywood. Want to catch all the excitement of Bollywood? Just log on to zoomtv.in.
You once referred to the TV culture, the newfound TV culture here, as the T-Rex monster, the paparazzi culture, which needs to feed all the time. You think they've evolved in the last few years, or they've degenerated?
I don't think so. I think the number of channels are growing every day. The number of people watching television is growing. We have a billion plus population, and of which I think we have almost 350 million that are productive, eyeballs for television. If this number grows, this is a phenomenal figure for commerce. Nowhere in the world will we find such kind of numbers, and therefore it's extremely exciting for somebody in the West. They cannot imagine that something like this can happen here, but for us it's perhaps just a few drops in the ocean. I like the way it's growing. Yes. When there is a very large variety, there will be some sort of pollution and corruption that will take place. And that is very natural. But I do hope that the temperament improves and quality improves, because it is a visual medium. It's a very, very powerful medium. And it has the capacity to change minds, thinking, change you, change me in the way we think and behave. So what does TV want us to be like, and how do they want their nation to be like, and how do they want individuals that live in this country and call themselves Indians to be like? What kind of character should they have? That would, obviously depend a lot on the way we are brought up and our culture and so on. But television has become a very powerful medium of culture transposition, and I think that they will have the capacity to guide us, and are powerful enough to guide us. So we have to be very sure, and they have to be very sure of what they're doing and what they're putting across.
But they've been some of them have been a source of irritation to you. You have got a little upset at times with the media. You know how you still get affected by that.
This is natural. I think that once you're a celebrity, you cannot just do away with the fact that the media is going to write about you. I only feel that if they have been inconsistent or irregular or incorrect, then I should have the opportunity to correct it.
Absolutely.
We were hindered to some extent earlier on, but now we have the internet, and we have various facilities, either through a blog or through a Twitter or through a Facebook, where you can reach out to millions almost instantly.
Absolutely.
And make the corrections, which is a good thing, I think. You get an opportunity in a free world to be able to, exercise your right.
This wasn't there earlier at all.
It wasn't there.
But your blog is a pretty lethal weapon. I think a lot of people like it.
I think that that's a wrong impression. I don't write the blog just because I want to get back at somebody. No, it's a lovely medium for me to talk to myself.
And to use effectively.
And I just sit and chat, and I have a few people who listen in. And yes, if there is something that I need to clarify or I need to give my opinion on, I do give it.
Right.